Good evening and welcome to the 16th annual virtual open house. We have all of the school districts and institutes participating in the national initiative connected to our conference this evening. I'm here with the national seminar leaders in the initiative offices overlooking the New Haven Green and the Yale campus. Jordan Peccia will describe his seminar on solving environmental problems through engineering. Jordan?
Thank you. Good evening or late afternoon, I guess, to you, and I'm delighted to be speaking to you about the seminar entitled Solving Environmental Problems Through Engineering. So engineering and technology have contributed to solutions to many of our 20th century environmental problems. But of course, as we live on a finite Earth with finite resources and an ever-growing human population, we have a new crop of problems in the 21st century. These problems are decidedly more complex, they're global, and they're more wicked in nature. This seminar will be about trying to come up with solutions to those types of problems through the lens of engineering. It'll be STEM-based study based in mathematics, but also in the sciences of physics, chemistry, biology. I want to point out science and engineering are different animals. Science is a systematic study of nature and physical processes through observations and experiments, whereas engineering leverages sciences and applies sciences to try and solve problems or to make things. And the seminar will focus on that solution aspect of things. Let's see, so in addition to readings on environmental problems and case studies for environmental problems, that will contain things like, how do we deal with the 80,000 or so synthetic chemicals inside and outside of our homes, the myriad problems associated with climate change, climate adaptation, and climate mitigation, or how do we supply drinking water and sanitation to everybody in the world. We'll have readings and we'll do case studies on some of those topics and others, but we'll also have readings and focus on the study of just engineering principles and how we can apply a framework to solve problems and to really try to put engineering and solutions into whatever case studies or seminar topics you choose. Now, see, the seminar, I think, is well suited for science teachers. Mathematics is a backbone of engineering design, and so it would work very well for any mathematics teachers in terms of coming up with environmental applications, all the way from differential equations to statistics to biostatistics, whatever you want to do. We can give you all the math you want, but it doesn't have to be specifically math-based, and specifically chemistry, physics, biology are interesting topics as well. This can be at a high school level, but also we've had luck before in the seminar with grade school teachers as well. I would say probably not below second grade, and the higher the level, maybe the better, but it's really up to the teacher to understand and know the level of their students and what they could bring to the seminar in terms of coming up with an interesting topic. It's my hope overall that by studying solutions, that students in your courses will feel engaged and they'll feel empowered and will be more interested in studying the topics of science as we move forward. Thanks.